Hey guys, welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of body language and how you can use it to make women chase you. Yep, you heard that right. We've got 20 body language tricks that will have women not just interested but downright chasing after you. Before we jump into the secrets, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our dating and relationship content. Now, let's get started. 1. Eye contact. Our first trick is all about eye contact. Maintaining strong eye contact shows confidence and interest. Look her in the eyes when you're talking, and don't be the first to break it off. 2. Smile. A genuine smile is incredibly attractive. It not only shows that you're friendly and approachable but also that you're enjoying the interaction. 3. Lean in. Leaning slightly towards someone when you're engaged in a conversation signals that you're interested and invested in what they have to say. 4. Mirroring. Mirroring is a powerful technique. Subtly mimic her body language, like her posture or gestures, to create a sense of connection and rapport. 5. Slow down. Slow your movements down. It conveys confidence and control. Rushing around can make you seem anxious or nervous. 6. Touch. Light, appropriate touches can be very effective. A gentle touch on her arm during a conversation can create a connection and make her feel more at ease. 7. Open posture. Keep an open posture with your arms relaxed at your sides. Closed-off body language can make you appear defensive or unapproachable. 8. Playful teasing. A bit of playful teasing with a smile can create a fun dynamic and show that you're comfortable around her. 9. Maintain personal space. Respect her personal space. Give her room to breathe and never invade her personal bubble unless there's clear consent. 10. Strong handshake. A firm, confident handshake when you first meet is a great way to make a positive impression. It demonstrates your self-assuredness. 11. Use your hands. Use your hands to emphasize points while talking. It adds energy and engagement to the conversation. 12. Show confidence in your walk. Walk with purpose and confidence. Avoid shuffling or looking down at the ground. A confident stride is incredibly appealing. 13. Maintain good posture. Good posture not only makes you look taller but also more confident and attractive. Stand up straight. 14. Subtle lip biting. A subtle lip bite can be incredibly alluring when done sparingly and without overdoing it. 15. Make eye contact before speaking. Before you start speaking, make brief eye contact with the person you're addressing. It shows attentiveness and confidence. 16. Confidence in your movements. Whether you're reaching for a glass or gesturing while you talk, do it with confidence. Avoid nervous or fidgety movements. 17. Maintain a calm demeanor. Keep your cool, especially in stressful situations. Remaining calm under pressure is a sign of emotional maturity and strength. 18. Respect boundaries. Always respect her boundaries. If she's not comfortable with something, back off immediately. 19. Active listening. Show that you're actively listening by nodding and responding appropriately to what she's saying. It's a sign of respect and engagement. 20. Be present. Lastly, be present in the moment. Put away distractions, like your phone, and focus entirely on the person you're with. This shows that you value their company. There you have it, folks, 20 body language tricks that can make women chase after you. Remember, while these techniques can be powerful, they should always be used with respect and genuine interest in the person you're interacting with. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to share your thoughts or any body language tricks you swear by in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, take care and happy chasing.